Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your browsing history on Safari. First of all, you gotta go on the settings on your iOS, okay? Don't go to Safari, go to your settings. When you're on your settings, you wanna scroll down to the section where it says Safari. You wanna click on this section over here, and then you wanna scroll down. You want to scroll down to the section that it says clear history and website data. You want to click on this and you will be able to choose the time frame in which you can delete your recent, the last hour, most recent, right, today, and things that you actually searched during the last week or all of your history. When you click each of these options, you will be able to choose when and which type of history you want to delete. It is very important to realize that a lot of this history that you have on your queries might actually be logins and passwords. So you want to make sure that you have saved up all of these passwords or usernames prior you actually clear up the history. Because if you don't want to delete the whole history but you click it by mistake, then you have to go and manually log in into all of the accounts that were previously saved up in Safari. This is very important because, like I mentioned, a lot of people don't know that they can manually pre-select the time frame. So you want to make sure that you have your time frame on. If you just now Google something that you're not gonna Google or not gonna search anytime soon, it was some extraordinary situation, right? And you don't want to get recommendations for this particular object, subject, or event simply because you have it on your queries. You can simply delete what you had searched for the last day, for the last week, yesterday, and this is how we're gonna go about it. For more tips and tricks, guys, subscribe and come back for more.